Namaste. So today I'm demonstrating Parvatasana, the mountain posture. I've already demonstrated or I've created a video for people who have been practicing for a while uh, for seated in seated postures on the yoga mat. But this chair version is more of a beginner version so that people who can't do sitting on the floor, they can do this on the chair. I've already listed the benefits below the video. It's an excellent posture for toning your back if you have postural defects, especially if you're seated on the chair. Very good as it massages the internal organs, whether you do it on the floor or on the chair. Very good as it removes all the flabbiness around the stomach. And I think more or less I've covered most of the benefits. So, if you're pregnant, women who are pregnant or have their menses, please avoid the variations when I demonstrate a forward bend. If you're a heart patient or have high blood pressure or a cardiac patient, also avoid the versions, except the first version, which is the basic and the easiest version. So I'll begin. So as I inhale, I bring my hands in prayer posture. As you can see, I'm not too back. I'm not taking support of the chair. My hands are straight in prayer posture. And I continue to breathe or retain my breath if you're not a heart patient or if you don't have high BP. Tuck your belly in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this version, what I demonstrated, can be done by anybody and everybody. I demonstrate again. Inhale, bring my hands in prayer posture above my head. Hold my breath or retain my breath or just continue breathing for a count of 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release. You may just want to roll your shoulders because it works a lot on the upper back. If your legs are hanging loose, if you're short, ensure you have some kind of support below your feet so your feet are not hanging in the air. I always like, because I'm tall, my feet are totally supported on the ground. So this version, the next three versions, please avoid, as I mentioned, the limitations. So people who can't do seated on the floor because of arthritis in the knee can do this on the chair. So that's the advantage. So let's begin. Inhale, bringing my hands, the second version. Exhale, bend towards the left or right, whichever side. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back. Exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ensure your belly is tucked in. Inhale, release, and just roll your shoulders. So between each round, just take a break, roll your wrist, roll your shoulders. You don't have to do it continuously. Make it fun, but also make it stretchy. Once more, inhale. I'll demonstrate on the right side. Exhale, retain your breath, tuck your belly in. If you don't have high BP, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and also not a heart patient. Inhale back, exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back and release. So I came up with this version because it was not there in any book. My mom has been having a lot of knee trouble. So, and she's not able to do sitting on the floor. So I said, let me come out with variations. The third version, inhale. So that was a side bend. Now we'll do a twist. Exhale, twist, tuck your belly in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back. As you can see, my hands are in prayer posture. Exhale, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale back, release. And just again, roll your shoulders because it's a lot of work on the upper back, especially in colder weather like London. If you can't directly start sitting on the floor, you can start with the chair version. So I'll demonstrate it once more. My feet are totally supported on the ground. Inhale, exhale, twist. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I suspended my breath, or you can just continue breathing. Inhale, suspend, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'm just demonstrating 2 times. You all can do. If you wish, you can go for up to 3 times. It's a good 10 minutes exercise if you do all the versions. The last version, inhale. This is the forward bend. And just arch your back slightly and exhaling. You can see my tummy is pressed against the thigh. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My head and ears are directly in between my arms. Inhale back, exhale. I repeat, inhale, hands in prayer, arch my back as I look up, just like a mini back bend. Exhale, just you don't have to go completely down. The spine is straight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale, and just roll your shoulders. It's a good workout, especially for the whole upper part of your body. And also because you're focusing, your eyes are also exercised. So you can avoid looking at the screen. And always good to rest. So you can now rest against the back of the chair. Very important to rest the muscles which have got stretched. If you're not used to practicing, if you're a beginner, or if you have any health issues around the lower part of the body due to lack of flexibility. So I try and make available yoga for everybody with variations in the postures. Thank you. Please do share this video. If you know you have family members or friends who are elderly, they can do this. And if you have any question, do write to me at the email address listed below in the video. Dhanyavad.